I was digging a plant and I accidentally nicked the PVC right here, so there's a hole, so it sprays like the dickens when the pressure is on. I'm going to show you how to fix this using a different method. This is a slider thing here. Notice how it goes up and down. But I'm going to show you how to fix that using a slider, PVC slider. I'm going to use this to cut the PVC pipes. They're really close to those other pipes below it. I don't want to cut those, but this is how it works. It just squeeze it once and it cuts about 1/8 of an inch at a time. Okay. There's the damaged pipe. There's this ding here, and then I busted it here too. You can see there's a crack in there. This is the adhesive you're gonna want to use. I guess you don't have to use this specific kind. This dries the fastest, but you can get other stuff that doesn't dry quite as fast. Okay, this is the glue. I'm just gonna put it on the inside of this coupling here. And then put it on the outside of this one. Okay. And then squeeze those together.
No, I am.
Okay. Now I'm going to put the other end of the coupling into here, but got this inside done, and now I want to get this side here. Try not to hit the dirt underneath it. I don't have a lot of room to work, but that should do the trick. Okay, so I have this attached to here, and now I'm gonna need to cut this down, put that piece on, and then you wanna cut, maybe a 1/4 of an inch away past here, so right around here. So I'm gonna cut right about there. Once I have it brought back, I'm gonna do the same thing, glue both sides, and then pull it forward. Notice how this thing can screw off, and they do that because it's a lot easier to fit this to here first, and once you have that fit, then you can screw this back together. So I'm actually going to take this off and glue this side and that side, and then I'll screw it back together. Everybody, make sure that this is free from dirt too. You don't want any dirt on any of these pieces. And then there we go. Too close, Harv. Pull that back a little bit. There we go. And finally, see how this thing adjusts. You adjust that into there, and you screw it tight. But there you have it. That's how you fix those cracks using a PVC slider. There's the zoomed out version. I probably didn't have to dig that much out, but I wanted a little bit of room to work with. Pretty easy fix though when you're using the slider instead of just using the coupling where you have to bend the pipes up, fit everything in. You don't have to bend up any of the pipes with this method. You just slide it into place after everything's glued together. It makes it really easy